So let's just go back to basics. Breathing, breathing is fundamental to life, right? We're all breathing.
Yes.
So why have you written a book on breathing?
I wrote a book because I was a mouth breather for about 20 years and my asthma was getting progressively worse. My sleep was getting progressively worse. I was waking up tired every morning, and also my ability to handle stress. And I came across an article in an Irish newspaper. It was back in 1998, and it said two things. It said, breathe through your nose and to breathe lightly. Now, when I read it, it struck a chord because I was constantly caught for breath. People could hear my breathing in the room. My nose was stuffy and I was breathing through an open mouth. And you kind of learn to live with these things. And I took on board what the article was saying. I used an exercise to open up my nose, which was simply holding the breath. And within 2 to 3 days, I felt a tremendous quality of life improvement. Sleep was better. I was feeling calmer. And my need for rescue medication for asthma had reduced by about 50% in 1 week.
In 1 week?
Yes.